From a simple doodle to an entire cosmos, there's a hidden logic that makes animation work.
So what could a cartoon mouse and a giant space cloud possibly have in common?
On one hand, you have simple, iconic characters. On the other, these incredibly complex, mathematical worlds. All right, let's tackle the complexity first. How do you even begin to create a nebula? You're basically building up complexity from nothing. It's like a kind of digital sculpture, layer by layer. And the secret here? It's noise textures. They create that natural, chaotic detail without placing every speck. So, with all this power for photorealism, why are the most famous characters so incredibly simple? Because simple shapes are like a universal language. They're expressive, and our brains connect with them instantly. But it's not just an artistic choice. Honestly, it's a practical necessity. Animation is all about repetition. Think about this number. For just a 3-minute short, that's potentially thousands of individual drawings. And that's the key. A design has to be something an entire team can replicate over and over. This logic of simplicity even applies to color. The whole point is to guide the viewer's eye. Take the 60-30-10 rule. It's a simple way to create a color palette that feels balanced. And this careful balance doesn't stop with design. It actually extends to the very pace of a show. Pace is basically how fast a show cuts from one shot to the next, and it matters. So, one study compared 2 versions of the same kids' show. The newer one cut scenes twice as fast. So what does that faster pace actually do to a kid's brain? The answer might surprise you. It turns out, while they were watching, the kids actually paid more attention to the faster show. But, and this is a big but, afterward, they had better focus on a puzzle after watching the slower show. So what we're seeing is a trade-off. Higher engagement during the show might tax their focus right after. So from cosmic math to simple shapes to a show's pacing, every single choice is intentional. It all leads to this final thought. In this age of faster media, what are we training our attention for?